Since AE is equal to BD, this AE is equal to BD, so AE will be 7 meter. So on applying formula, we will get CE upon AE is equal to tan 60 degree. The value of AE can be placed as 7 and tan 60 degree is root 3. So CE is 7 root 3. To find out this whole length CD, we have to add CE and ED. CE is 7 root 3. ED was 7, then it will become 7 root 3 plus 1. Okay, next question, 13th question is, an observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. This is the lighthouse from the sea level. The angle of depression of two ships. There are two ships. The angle of depression for the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. These are the opposite angles which are equal. Okay. Then if the one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse, we have to calculate the distance between the ships. What is the distance between the two ships? AB is the lighthouse, C and D are the points of ships. First of all, we will put the formula in this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC, that will be equal to tan 45. AB is 75, tan 45 is 1, BC is equal to 75 meter. In triangle ABD, AB upon VD will be tan 30 degree. AB is 75, BD can be written as BC plus CD is equal to 1 by root 3, BC is 75. Okay, on cross multiplication, we will get 75 into root 3 is equal to 75 plus CD. CD is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, that is 75 root 3 minus 1. Okay, then next question, 14th question. The statement of 14th question is, a 2.5 meter tall girl, this is a 2.5 meter tall girl, spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. We have to find this distance travelled by the balloon. Position of balloon first changes from A to B. CD be the girl. In triangle ACE, AE upon CE is equal to tan 60 degree. AE can be written as AF minus EF, as it is 88.2 and this is 1.2. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So it will be 87 upon CE is equal to root 3. CE can be written as 87 upon root 3 or 29 root 3 meter. In triangle BCG, BG upon CG is equal to tan 30 degree. BG is similarly BH minus GH, that will be 87 root 3 is equal to 87 into root 3. CG will be 87 root 3 meter. Now distance travelled by the balloon, EG. EG can be written as CG minus CE. CG is 87 root 3 minus CE is 29 root 3. So it will be 58 root 3 meter. Next question is 15th question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing on the top of a tower observes a car as an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. After 6 seconds, the angle of depression is found to be 60 degree. We have to find the time car needed to reach the foot of the tower from this point. AB is the tower, C is the point, initial point, D is the point where car reaches after 6 seconds. In a triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tan 60 degree, that is root 3. DB can be written as AB upon root 3. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is tan 30 degree. BC can be written as BD plus CD is equal to 1 by root 3. After cross multiplication, it becomes AB root 3 is equal to BD plus CD. BD can be written as AB upon root 3 or DC can be written as AB root 3 minus AB upon root 3. AB gets common, it will become root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. AB root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 upon root 3, 2AB upon root 3. Time taken by car to travel DC is equal to 2AB upon root 3, that is 6 seconds, which is given. Time for DB, that will be equal to AB upon root 3. 6 upon 2 AB upon root 3 into AB upon root 3, that will be 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 seconds. Last question is the 16th question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. There are two points which in which one is at 4 meter, second is at 9 meter, और जो angle बन रहा है that is complementary. Prove that the height of this tower is 6 meter. AQ is the tower, R and S are the points which are 4 and 9 meter away from the tower. Since both the angles are complementary, so one angle will be theta, second will be 90 minus theta. In triangle AQR, AQ upon QR is equal to tan theta. AQ upon QR is 4 meter is equal to tan theta. In triangle AQS, AQ upon SQ is tan 90 minus theta, SQ is 9, tan 90 minus theta is cos theta. We have to multiply both these equations. AQ upon 4 into AQ upon 9 is equal to tan theta into cot theta, which will get cancelled out. It will become AQ square is upon 36 is equal to 1. AQ is root 36. Since the length cannot be negative, so AQ will be positive 6 meter only. So it is proved.